Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to create a Facebook avatar of yourself. Well, this app helps you to make or create one cartoon kind of avatar that you can use in your chats, emojis or on your profile picture as well. So let us see how to create one. First you have to go to this Facebook app. If you land at the home page, just click here on your profile picture or come to this portion which will be your profile. So here what you can see is your profile picture. Just click on that and here you can see a lot of option will come and the last option will be make avatar profile picture. So just click on that avatar profile picture. It will load your avatar cartoon kind of picture. So here you can see a lot of options will be there. Create profile picture, create post, share a post, browse stickers, edit avatar. You can play on with this features or options given to you by avatar action head. So for example, I want to create profile picture here. So loading your avatar. So you can see the same picture is being given in a different kind of poses. You can see here like this. You can select background, you can do anything you want. And then you can click on next. It will create one profile picture avatar or create a post. So you can what's on your mind, you can edit something out of here. So anything out of this, you can play around these things. And if I go back, share a pose, loading your avatar. So a lot of poses will be shown here, starting from standing to winking of eye to tata bye bye, or this kind of basketball or rugby kind of pose. You can select and share this to newsfeed. I'll go back, or you can browse stickers as well. So the stickers will be available in your emoji column, so where you can use this in your messenger. So a lot many stickers will be available using your own avatar here. So many features are given, options are given to create your own avatar for your profile picture, post, pose, stickers, and finally I'll tell you to edit avatar. So if you want to edit your main avatar, you can play around with or see a wide range of features like skin tone, your hair, and face shape, whether it should be very thin or it should be a round kind of face. Then you can choose the color of your eye as well. Then many things are available. You can go through it one by one to customize your own avatar. So finally, if you are done with it, you can press done. Go back, and there is a lot of creative things available for your avatar, like try new outfits. If I press that, your hat, headwear, or if you go to normal home, just a minute, your body, hat, anything you can attach to your Facebook avatar body. And here browse all your stickers, make a profile picture, show off your avatar. So the same things are coming. So this is how you can go through your avatar, edit it, use it in your emojis, in your messenger as a sticker, or create a profile picture out of it, or create a post, share a post, whatever you want you can do with it. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this was quite useful for you. If you found this video useful, please like this video and please share this video across various platforms, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such videos. Till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.